After a contentious debate over what an expert could testify to, there was heated questioning by the defense.
So now we see the bullet hole in the window, the bullet defect. And if we zoom out, and now we go down to our synchronized video source to Officer Grubb's position, we can now see both headlights to the left of him, and he's no longer in the path of the field of the vehicle.
Accident reconstructionist Dr. Jeremy Bauer testified for the state that Takai Young had turned her moving car out of Grubb's way before Grubb fired the fatal shot. The defense objected to that testimony. The jurors left the room, and the judge agreed with the defense.
When you heard the words intent, anticipate, you can't go into intent.
Well, I mean, it's pure speculation.
But you somehow tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury, oh yeah, he got those injuries when he fell on the ground. Do you see his knees or anything on the ground there?
I already answered that question to say no, the video footage does not actually capture his knees on the ground.
You make it up. You don't have any visual evidence to support that claim.
Well, the state has not rested its case. It will have a witness testify on Tuesday. The defense called Sergeant Eric Moynihan to the stand. He was the sergeant at the window while Grubb was in front of the car.
When that car took off, did that surprise you?
Absolutely.
What did you do at that point in time?
Well, I had my hand in the window. I guess I would equate it to almost having your foot in a door. And obviously my intent was to break the window, so I did not expect the window to still be intact, and didn't foresee her driving off and me still holding on. So that took a second for my brain to catch up with.
Moynihan explained why he did not draw his gun.
I had my hands full. Again, I was trying to break the window, and from my perspective and my point of view at that time, I didn't have a threat towards me. So it wasn't until I get pulled alongside the car and then realized that a shot's fired and bump into Officer Grubb that I realized he drew his weapon and fired.
And the defense will continue its case next week. We are expecting Grubb to take the stand. In Columbus, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.